What's up everyone, a quick unboxing video here to share with all of you. So I purchased a new iPhone 13 Pro Max. This one is the graphite color and the 256 gigabyte model. So I wanted to share it with all of you. I figured I'd do a quick unboxing video, and it looks almost identical to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, although the box felt a little heavier. The camera bump is a little bigger on this one, and the only thing that comes in the box really is the USB Type-C to Lightning cable. The ejection tool there for the SIM tray and just the old regular stuff. You can see the SIM tray. So on the left is the new 13 Pro Max, and you can see that the SIM tray was actually higher up on that one. The rest of the phone going around, it all looks pretty much the same. I'm comparing it there to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The camera bump on the left, you can see the 13 is bigger than the 12 on the right. So definitely a noticeable difference there. So I really wanted to get this thing powered on and show you guys the new photo macro mode, and that was what I was really interested in. I'm really excited to try that out. So I went through the setup process here real quickly. I didn't do any backing up or anything like that. I kind of just set this thing up as a new phone. One thing you want to do when you do get this phone, if you get it, is the first thing is go in and look and see if there's an update for iOS 15. Even though it ships with 15, you want to make sure you go in and check that so you get the latest version of iOS 15. So there's a look on the right. That was the 12 Pro Max, and then on the left is the iPhone 13. Look at the difference with this new macro mode. This thing is crazy. This is what I wanted to get to. I just threw a quarter down there and I was zooming in. Again, you're looking at the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can literally zoom in super, like it's extreme zooming. Okay, so I tried it using my fingerprints at one point here. I think I flipped my finger over and I was trying it. You can see right there, it's crazy how far you can zoom in with this phone. So that right there is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see a huge difference. Trying to zoom in on that quarter, get nowhere. But then over here on the 13 Pro Max, it's just ridiculous. So that's pretty much all I had for you, is just a quick unboxing video, a real quick look at this phone. I will be doing more videos on this phone. Please hit the like button if the video was somewhat helpful. Remember, if you get this phone, make sure you update it right away. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.